Hello friends, welcome to one more interesting aspect of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is lateral career move. Now what is the definition of lateral career move? It means changing your job profile after working in a particular job profile for a certain period of time. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is now very common in most of the corporate sector. People drastically change their career path. Whatever they have been doing till now, they stop doing it and suddenly move into an entirely different domain which is absolutely unrelated to what they were doing till now. Now there is a very logical reason behind it. Majorly there are two reasons behind lateral career move. Let us talk about the first reason. In most of the professional colleges, people are involved in doing different types of courses. Now, whether they get opportunities during campus placement drive or whether they get selected off campus, by both the methods, they will get any job, of course, they will become employed. But whether that job is according to the qualification that they are doing or not, that is the major issue. Right now, unemployment is the major problem in the country. Still, it is the major problem, ladies and gentlemen, for young students. Now, if during campus placement drive, a student gets selected in an organization that is according to his qualification, that is providing him job according to his qualification, that is well and good. Sometimes, such companies come to professional colleges for campus placement drive which hire students in entirely different profile. Now in that case, if your college is situated at such a place where there is no industrial opportunity available, where there are no industries, and you are not sure that where you will go after completing your degree, because after completing your degree till you get the job, you are one of the members of unemployed youth of the country. That's why, to save yourself from unemployment, you participate in industrial interviews of those industries that are not of your profile. Now, if you get selected in those industries, definitely you will have to join those industries, you will have to work over there. Now the point here is, these industries are absolutely unrelated to your profile, but still you qualified the interview, you got selected. And after getting selected, when you actually start working in these organizations, you work for a few years or few months according to your need, according to your desire. And once you reach industrial area, you start searching for other industries that are according to your qualification. And once you get those industries, you move into those industries. So this is one of the major reasons of moving into a different profile. The student was not able to get his own profile because of some reason, and in order to acquaint himself more and more with industrial atmosphere, he had to go to some industrial town. That's why joining an irrelevant company was a medium for him to move from a non-industrial state to industrial state. And now, since he is the part of industrial state, he can search job according to his appropriate qualification, and once he gets that job, he can move into the domain of his choice, what he exactly wanted in his life. So this is one of the major reasons behind lateral career move. Now let us talk about one more reason. Sometimes you join the industry according to your qualification. Whatever is your qualification, you get the industry, you get the job according to that. You join the industry and you start working over there. As the time moves on, you start learning new things in that industry. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, even if you are hired in a particular profile in any industry, it does not mean that you will have to study and learn about that particular topic only. You have to work in that particular domain only. Along with your core tasks, The industry will give you training in many other things. Industry will tell you everything, whatever is required in an industrial atmosphere. They will tell you all the plans and procedures. They will tell you all the production processes. They will give you knowledge of all the managerial activities that is required to run an industry appropriately. Now, during this course of time, sometimes students develop their interest in something else. They lose their interest in what they are doing right now. Even if it is their core profile in which they have completed their graduation and post-graduation, they gradually start losing interest in that particular profile and they start developing interest in some other profile. And once they start developing interest in some other profile, then within that industry where they are working, they start participating in different trainings happening in that particular profile. In any corporate sector, it is a rule, ladies and gentlemen, large number of industrial trainings related to different industrial activities and trends are provided in corporate sector, in any corporate organization, and all the employees of that particular organization are free to participate in those events, in those trainings, and upgrade their knowledge. They can volunteer to participate in those trainings and they can learn whatever they want to. Industry provides this benefit to you. That's why within an industry your knowledge keeps growing. Now if you develop interest in something else, what you will do? You will keep participating in trainings related to that particular profile only. And more you participate in those trainings, more your knowledge will increase. And when your knowledge starts increasing in a different profile, when you start gaining more and more awareness about a different profile, your interest starts developing in that profile and your interest diminishes in the current profile that you are doing. So this is also a major reason that why people make lateral career move. Very soon they get acquainted with new tools, new technologies, and they leave what they are doing right now. So these are certain reasons why people make lateral career moves. Two reasons are very crucial over here. First, I am repeating this thing once again, ladies and gentlemen. First is, you are not able to get the relevant job. You joined an organization in an entirely different profile. You hit the corporate sector. You find job related to your qualification over there, and then you immediately change your job. This is the first scenario. Second scenario is, you got the job according to your qualification, you got the job according to your profile, you moved into corporate sector. Because of large number of training and development activities that are happening inside the corporate sector, you developed interest in something else, you left your core profile and you moved into the profile of your interest. Your track changed completely drastically. So these are the two reasons behind lateral career moves. Now, if I talk about whether it is beneficial or not, it entirely depends upon individual's choice, ladies and gentlemen. If you have developed interest in something, if you are willing to do something, if you are willing to gain knowledge about a particular profile, definitely you will be a highly dedicated person towards that particular profile. And if you are showing highly dedicated attitude towards a particular profile, definitely you will grow in that profile, whether it is technical, whether it is not technical, whether it is related to your profile, whether it is not related to your profile. So developing in a particular profile and gaining success in a particular profile entirely depends upon your dedication towards that particular profile. So even if it is not relevant to your qualification, but you are showing 100% dedication towards it, definitely you will be successful. So lateral career move is not bad at all, ladies and gentlemen. If you have this misconception in mind that lateral career move will destroy your professional credibility, not at all, it is a misconception. Lateral career move is very good. Even if you want to be the part of lateral career move, even if you don't want to be the part of lateral career move, both ways it is beneficial. If you are happy with what you are doing, definitely you will be successful in that. If you are not happy with what you are doing and you pick up something in which you are happy, again you will be successful. So it all depends on your interest and nothing else. Lateral career move is a good choice. If you choose it, well and good. If you don't choose it, still well and good. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.